Hi guys! So we are preparing for later's countdown at BGC. So doon kami mag-spend ng New Year kasi may concert ang ITZY and may fireworks display. So yeah, today is December 31. I'm again with my housemates. Kenneth.
La la la, it's me, Ken.
Ayan. Also, Daday.
Hi.
Greet mo naman sila.
Happy New Year.
Okay guys.
Ang aming nonchalant housemate.
Nonchalant kasi yan si Daday. Yan. Happy New Year guys from us.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Siguro mapapanood yun to November 1.
Next year.
Ay, November 1. January 1. January 1. Saan ba tayo sasakay? LRT to MRT and then sa Ayala na lang kami mag-lunch. So yun guys, kakain na kami. Ang in-order ko is yung beef something. Eat. Cut the beef. Ayan guys, so we made it to the BGC bus. So may kasama kaming bisita dito. Julian, anong masasabi mo ngayong New Year?
Mama, wala na ako pera.
So taga Bicol din siya. Namimiss mo ba yung pamilya mo sa Bicol? Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
Wala na ako pamasahe, wala na akong pang Starbucks.
I am calling the attention of Ate Jessica Marpuri.
Sis, alam na.
So ito lang yung pinangangambahan ko guys kasi mukhang uulan talaga. Sana naman wag. Do meron namang payong dala talaga. Sana wag umulan. Ano to? Bakit may Starbucks, guys?
Starbucks.
12 yung stickers mo. Kulang ka ng 5, so bumili ka ng 5 ano.
So, sino inom nung isa?
Is the hitmaker who's keeping it authentic and striking a chord one song at a time. BGC, put your hands together for one partner! basketball, so thank you for having us today. And we prepared a lot of stuff, so we hope that you can enjoy with us, okay?
Yes!
So yun guys, nakita nyo ba yung fireworks? Grabe. Pero kanina inuulan na kami. Ay hindi, konting drizzle lang pero... Drizzle? Tama ba drizzle? Ayan, konting drizzle lang na ulat kanina and we had fun, sobra, pero ang sakit sa paa guys. 4 o'clock ng hapon, nandito na kami. Binantay na namin yung pwesto namin kanina hanggang 12. Ano masasabi mo sa ITZY?
Yes! Oh my God, guys. The best way to end my year and the best way to start the new year is to meet ITZY. Oh my God, pabida na naman ako.
Ayun, so ITZY fan kasi siya. Ano pang tawag doon? Midzy.
Midzy all the way, pero syempre once pa din.
Yeah, ako kasi basta ganun. Ikaw, Day, anong gusto mo sabihin? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone.
That's as always.
Hi, sis! Hi, family! Lanako Dats!
Happy New Year, everyone! I wish you all the best this year. And nandito ko na yan yung vlog ko, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, everyone! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!